I don't like to make this kind of video, but I'm really disappointed. This customer was trying to hook up his Yeti 1500X to his van to charge off the alternator. And we've called them and got three different answers. When I tried to get an installation manual, they said there wasn't one available. Yeah, you can get some information off of YouTube, but I normally go to the manufacturer first when I'm doing something, especially if it's something I haven't worked on before. And so the customer was told he could run 10 gauge wire, so he ran 10 gauge wire, but you can clearly see here when I called them, they told me 8 gauge wire, and the third time I called them, they said they had to buy their wire harness to do it. So running all that wire got us nowhere. And you can see here at 80 amp, I've got a couple charts that I use, and it starts at about 4 gauge wire. So I'm not sure, and I couldn't get an answer from them on why they were using 80 amp fuse. I did try to get that answer, but I was unable to get any kind of answer. So running your own wire is kind of a waste of time because they kind of have a proprietary plug, it looks like to me here. So I'm not sure how we're supposed to connect that. Also, if I didn't get on YouTube, I never would have found out that there was two different modes on here. There's a button you push, and one mode is what they call tank mode, so you can hook up another external battery. If you're in tank mode and you hook it up to the vehicle wiring, it's going to drain the vehicle battery. So you have to push this button here 4 times. Once again, I had to find that on YouTube. I couldn't get that information from Goalzero. Another thing you want to be aware of is that if you have a smart alternator, it's saying here in this paragraph here you may get slow charging. So that's another thing you want to be aware of before you purchase one of these or try to hook it up. So just wanted to express my disappointment in the tech support I got from this company, and I'm going to try to avoid working on them in the future.